Okay, and welcome to my studio. So today I'm going to swatch out these beautiful new pearl watercolours that I picked up on a recent trip down to Melbourne. These are the Coliro pearl colours, and I got the gold and silver pack. So they do sell them separately in the colours, but I just thought I'd splurge and I got the whole lot. I think I wanted the Arabic gold was the colour I thought I'd get first, but I decided to have the whole lot. So as always, I swatch everything I get into my my book. This is my book of swatching, pans, all sorts of things are in here. Anything that I'm working on, I swatch in here. So, oh, there we go. This is what we're going to do today. So, what this this was the packaging that it came with. Here we are. These are the colours. There we are. They're beautiful. I'm on black paper and on white paper. So yeah, it would look beautiful on black paper. Okay. This was around the box, and on the back here it says number 1, add water. Number 2, wait 2 minutes, and 3, mix well. So I did add some water, and I'm just using my Princeton number 12 round brush to do this, so it holds a lot of water. I did add water, so let's just see how we go. So this is Tibet Gold. So I'm just going to fill it out. When I swatch things into my book, I do it exactly as they are in the palette, so that it's nice and easy. There we go. Oh, that's lovely. You see that? Oh yes, yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, next, I'm just going to rinse that off. Next is the Inca Gold. They're beautiful. Pick up a bit more. Very nice. I really thought these would be great for Christmas, so, and Christmas cards and anything else that we do for Christmas time. So this is they're going to be beautiful. Show you. There we are. Very nice. You know, same with watercolors. You can use as much and as little and blend them. You know, I'm sure you can layer them and everything. But yeah, they're beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, I'm excited to be using these. Pearl gold. Yeah, a little more. Let me just fold this back and I can show you. Lift that up. Yeah. Yeah, definitely a pearl gold. What we got next is moon gold. Yeah. I hope you can see the sparkle. They're just lovely. And the last one is sterling silver. Well, it's going to be beautiful. That would be beautiful on black. There we go. Very nice. It's a little hard to see on camera, but yeah, they are beautiful. There you go. Let's add a bit more. Go back to the first one. Yeah, I think you can, you know, laying them up. Layers is going to be nice as well. I like that Inca gold. That's beautiful. It's like a real rose gold. Lovely. A layer on the Arabic. Yeah, very nice. Oh, they're beautiful. They're going to be so beautiful on Christmas cards. Okay, one more. Let's keep going. Yeah, very nice. There you go. I want to show you the water. You should see the water. It's just beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. You should see all the beautiful colours in that water. Anyway, trust me, it's beautiful. Let's see if I can get in the camera. There you go. All right. So they are the Coliro Pearl Watercolours. I was reading a little bit about them. They're family business. They're made in Germany. Very nice. Very, very nice. There we go. And I bought them from Bookbinders in Melbourne. So I did have a look. So there's all the information on them. Yeah, very, very happy with these. I do follow them on Instagram. Well worth a follow. Yeah, I'd be interested to try them on some black paper and layer them up. But no, they're beautiful. So there you go. Coliro Pearl Colours, and that's the box of 6. They're going to be beautiful. They are really going to be beautiful. Beautiful for Christmas. And anytime you want just a little bit of sparkle, I'm sure that's they're going to get a whole lot of use. There we go. There you go. Jump on their Instagram, give them a follow, and buy some because they really are beautiful. There you go. Have fun.